In the name of Allah, the most merciful and most gracious. O Allah, advance me in the knowledge and true understanding. In this video, we look what is engineering, asset or facility, why and how these are to be managed. Engineering asset or facility consist on land, building and infrastructure like equipment, tools, appliances, test and other instruments and devices, etc. Examples of facilities to manage are educational, residential, industrial, healthcare and commercial, and the like similar. These are examples of few engineering assets and systems to manage: electrical systems and CCTV, air conditioning and other appliances, lifts and other machines, healthcare equipment, cooling tower and chiller, fire suppression systems, garden sprinkler and lighting controls, pumps and other controls, and so on. How to get most out of your asset or facility. How does your organization realize more value from these assets, and how do you determine the best course of action for asset maintenance optimization? Financial question is, are you managing your assets, or your assets managing you? Most asset owners and operators have an asset management program in place, but are they reacting as a condition degradation, or proactively managing the operations and maintenance across the entire asset life cycle? To get most out of the asset or a facility, a computerized maintenance management system is needed, which may be a CMMS software or manual management in Excel, which requires more recourse. For this, actions are: need asset inventory and health check. Physical assets converted in digital inventory. The value in an asset management system is not achieved until all asset data is 100% accurate digital representation with regular update. Now, we look the computerized maintenance management structure and its function. This is a simple example of filling the database form. There are many more fields to fill according to actual need. This may be in hard or soft format. In the result of it, database gather the information like equipment or facility description, fixed asset tag number, its location, system generated identification number, frequency, start date, staff information and procedures of PPM, etc. Equipment identification, asset tag and abbreviation shall be done according to the owner departments. For example, mechanical is ME, electrical is L and civil and ground is C and G, and so on. These are examples only. Each organization can set its own abbreviations and identifications, etc. Once the database is developed and commissioned, the magic from CMMS begins. This is the setup to get most out of an asset or facility, the efficient and safe mode of operation, the value addition to the profitability. This is the CMMS integrated structure. Now the system starts to generate the scheduled activities like PPM, inspections, calibration, etc. This is one example. These are few activities linked with asset and location. Entered labor, hours, expenses and remarks of job performed are part of the equipment history and update. User can generate different reports according to need, customized or provided in system against given parameters. These are few examples of these reports. To analyze asset or equipment or facility health. The system can also generate performance evaluation reports. This example indicating completion against KPI and delay reasons, etc. This feedback is the resource for improvement. It is seen that CMMS makes it easy to manage all asset and facility management tasks. Its safety, reliability and effectiveness is the user's comfort. What people think about CMMS looks safe and reliable, but too complicated, seems effective and efficient, but looks too expensive. Not at all simple, like a mobile operation. We provide low-cost solutions beyond your imagination based on Pakistani market. Give your feedback about this video in comments. You can ask questions for any further clarification in comments or on Facebook and LinkedIn. For more details, visit our website. Our next video of this series is about building automation system and IoT. Subscribe our channel for informative videos. Thank you for watching this video. We contribute in the development of knowledge-based networking of quality standards and emerging technologies for technical community through education and consultancy for the standardized and internationally recognized Pakistan.